Today on the BBQ Chef, we're going to show you how to make this succulent spatchcock chicken with Chipotle and Worcestershire sauce. First thing we're going to do is make a brine for the chicken. In a container big enough to hold your chicken, put in 3 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of salt. Add to that some lukewarm water and mix until the sugar and salt is dissolved. Add in a teaspoon of pickling spices, a teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 bay leaves, and 2 cloves of garlic. Take your chicken and place it in the container with the breast facing down. Then top the container up with cold water. Put the lid on and pop this in the fridge overnight. The next day we'll drain the chicken, pat it dry and let it come back up to room temperature. Now for the marinade. Take 250 grams of room temperature butter, 2 teaspoons of Chipotle chili paste, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 teaspoons of a salt, pepper and garlic powder mix. Combine all the ingredients until they become a uniform colour. Take your chicken and place it on the chopping board with the breasts facing down. And with either sharp scissors or poultry shears, remove the backbone. Turn the chicken over and press down until you can feel the ribs crack and the chicken sits flat. Take a long metal skewer and go through the leg, through the breast, into the wing in a diagonal direction. Take another skewer and do the same thing again in the opposite direction so you get an X pattern. This method makes your chicken easier to handle on the grill and cuts down on your cooking time. Now with your fingers, move the chicken skin away from the breast, forming a pocket. Take the butter marinade you made earlier and fill both breast pockets. Gloves are advisable here because the chipotle paste will stain your hands. Once you've done that, take the rest of the marinade and completely smother the chicken with it. Once you're done with that, cover the chicken with tin foil and let it sit at room temperature for an hour. And then we're off to the grill. Preheat your grill using the indirect method, meaning you've got heat on one side, no heat on the other side. Place the chicken on the grill on the indirect side with the wings facing towards the heat. Then take a thermometer probe and insert that about halfway into one of the breasts. Pop the lid on and let that cook for about half an hour. After about half an hour, check your thermometer. You're aiming for an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Remove the lid and rotate the chicken through 180 degrees so the legs are now facing the heat source. Be very careful with the skewers, they will be hot. Put the lid back on and cook for roughly another 30 minutes. You're aiming for that internal temperature of 165, so you've got to keep checking your thermometer. After almost exactly another 30 minutes, we're at that magic temperature. Remove the lid and take the thermometer out of the chicken. Take the chicken off the grill and put it onto a chopping board. Remove the skewers and wrap with tin foil and let that rest for at least 15 minutes. And you're done! Succulent spatchcock chicken basted with chipotle paste and Worcestershire sauce. Let me just cut into that for you so you can see just how juicy this actually is. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and leave a comment below, and if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with great barbecue recipes. Thanks for watching.